How to fix MyChart app crashing on iPhone. To fix the MyChart application crashing on an iPhone, first of all, you have to force quit and try to reload the application. You simply have to swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then double-click the home button on the older devices to open the app switcher, and you simply have to remove it from your background as well. Once you remove it, you simply have to offload the application, then proceed to clear the corrupted cache. Open the iPhone settings and select the general option, tap the iPhone storage and scroll down to select the MyChart. From there, tap the offload app option to remove the application's binaries while keeping your stored personal login records and local clinical provider linkage intact. You simply have to select the reinstall application on the same screen to re-download and clean copy from the App Store. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.